Kamusta mga brad? Samahan niyo ako, manonood tayo ngayon ng isa na namang kasong shoplifting sa Target. So tingnan natin kung ano nangyari. Samahan niyo ako guys.
November 6th, 2024, officers responded to a call of a woman shoplifting a large amount of items from a local Target.
She dumps the cart.
Okay.
So she's carrying 3 full bags of merchandise.
Okay.
She's coming out of it, she's gonna go exit it. Actually, she's going south set of doors.
Okay.
She's out in 3, 2, 1. She should be out. She's in the vestibule.
Hey, police, how's it going? Put the bags down.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, brother, put your bags down.
This is everything I came in with.
Put your bags down.
I did not do anything. I didn't do anything.
Drop your bags, please.
I didn't do.
Let's stay cordial, okay? Just put your bags.
Why are you?
Could you take your backpack
No.
off as well? You have to.
That is bullshit.
Take your backpack off.
That is bullshit.
Take your backpack off. You're gonna go in handcuffs with your backpack on. So.
This is bullshit. It is harassment.
What do you want to do?
Stop! I didn't even do anything.
I'm gonna
go away. So you have to
Is this you guys?
No, so the bag she's sitting on is ours, but there is
No.
Cut this backpack off you if you don't.
You aren't gonna touch. Stop! I'm not even doing anything. I am not doing anything. I am not doing anything.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs with the backpack.
Stop! That's harassment. You're not even
Lincoln, too.
supposed to put your hands on me without a female. You are breaking the law.
Take off her hands. All right.
This is mine. Yeah!
Just
Stop!
Mom, just stop. Give me your other hand, ma'am. If you want,
Stop resisting!
I was sitting on my stuff! That's all I was doing!
look at 2 we're code 4. You have 1 person.
Can you stop yelling, please?
You hurt me! Get him away from me!
We're gonna stand
Get
here.
away from me!
He's gonna help you, okay?
I'm gonna help you stand
He won't touch you. He's gonna help you.
Please!
He won't, don't worry about him.
Let me breathe!
Let me
I
help you out,
can't do anything!
I'm gonna help you out. I thought you were fighting.
No. She's a female, so I can't get too like physical with her. Also, it's optics and all that, so. Where's Cody? All right, I'll start taking stuff out, and then you start letting me know what's first. This is London. London.
We don't carry
Can we put her in here for now?
Yeah, like he's in the bag.
Stephanie, why are you going through every
Narrows my...
Okay.
That is bullshit!
Is this you guys as well?
I don't think so. She had this water bottle when she came in.
There's a pink one as well.
Oh, whichever one she had when she came in, I can tell you if it's mine. That's the one she had when she came in. Okay, so that one. This all yours?
Yeah.
This is... These are... I don't know if the husky stuff I think is probably like Home Depot or something.
Yeah, this is probably all from Home Depot.
If it's not yours, I was gonna put all your merchandise here.
Okay.
For photo.
This is like all this is mine. This is the tag this year.
Okay. Anything that's not yours, I'll take off.
Are all these No, we only sell like the Gerber like
This is Fred
cheap.
I feel very violated right now.
Yeah, this bag's gonna be from wherever this stuff's from. Cheese and
Could be Home Depot.
yeah. Don't we go drive over to Home Depot on this?
Yeah. Once we sort all the stuff, it's either Home Depot or Lowe's. Otherwise, you could just throw it in my car and I could do it tomorrow. This is you?
Yeah.
None of this is yours, right?
None of the Husky branded stuff. These are this yours? I can check and see. It's got a tag on it.
The backpack isn't.
No. Even the purple and the Husky bag. I searched the black bag. All these tools, these hatchets, all this stuff was in there, and he said it's not theirs.
Okay.
And the bag's brand new too.
The best guess for the bag would be Home Depot.
Can you find any time to exercise his leg?
All of you have done something. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, let's do it. All of this is yours?
Yep, everything right here is mine. Batteries and then
We'll just take the photo on the ground then. Just to show.
Are you telling me I'm crazy?
No, I'm asking why you're
That's
behaving.
all in my head?
Okay.
We'll call this back and ask you.
Yeah, I'll grab a. I'll pull my. Just getting. Or I'll ask Sarge if he wants to book because it's an $850 total.
That is bullshit!
Do you have clothes on under
You're
this?
taking stuff that doesn't even belong
whichever one
here.
They're going through all of the property to determine what you took. Yes, they
they're
are.
taking
And
shit. I just
Stop.
watched it.
They're sorting through everything
I
because there's
just
stolen merchandise in the car.
watched it.
There's stolen merchandise in the bags. You exited with merchandise you didn't pay for.
Not those bags. No,
They're going
I
to go
did
through all of it.
not.
They're going to go through all of it.
That's bullshit.
Knife.
God damn it.
What's your last name? Stephanie, do you have ID in one of those bags?
No.
Okay, what's your last name?
Richard. Oh, God damn you.
Richards?
Stop. God damn you, Bombsing.
You're under arrest for all the merchandise that you took without paying for it.
No.
Yes.
Bombsing.
All that stuff in the gray bag? Or else Target stuff?
Bombsing.
Take your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Turn and face the front. Stephanie, face the front. Face the front. You're 40 years old.
And you already know this is harassment.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is.
How is it harassment if you took the property that didn't belong
Stop. Just stop.
That's what I'm asking you to do.
It is wrong. What do you expect me to
Steal?
do? Stop. You know.
I have no idea why you're behaving like this.
Stop. Just stop. This isn't right. It isn't
The amount of merchandise that
right.
So this isn't harassment. You brought this upon yourself.
Yes, it
No,
is.
when you steal, you bring the attention upon yourself.
Yes, it is.
How is it harassment? How is it harassment, Stephanie?
Because you know how. Oh.
You keep saying that, but obviously I don't know how it's harassment.
You're trying to make me a rat.
I didn't ask you to say who you're stealing it for.
No, you are.
No, I basically said you were caught
Okay.
stealing.
Okay.
And I'm just asking.
Are you telling me I'm crazy?
No, I'm asking why you're
That's
behaving
all
like
in my head.
this. No, never said that. I'm just trying to figure out why you're behaving the way you are. Is there a reason why you're crying the way you are?
Yeah, because it hurt.
What hurt?
You guys are supposed.
What hurt,
Just
Stephanie?
Stop.
What hurt?
Just stop.
I can stop asking you questions if you don't want to talk to me, but I'm just trying to find out what happened. I'm trying to find out why you're acting the way you are.
For one thing, the dipshit didn't need to tackle me.
Okay.
He had no right to put his hands on me.
You had committed a theft.
I wasn't fighting him. I wasn't doing anything.
Okay. And were you behaving the way you are now? Were you behaving the way you are now?
No, not until he started to pull my hands and.
So he put his hands on you to stop you.
No, I was sitting on the bag. I was sitting there.
Okay. What did he tell you to do? What did the officer tell you to do?
He said to take the backpack off. I was trying to calm down because there was no reason to make me take it off.
Well, you just said you weren't behaving like this, and you're saying you needed to calm